Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you all these products that are super easy to use, and it just gives you a real nice makeup look. This night I was going to a Backstreet Boys concert, and I'm pretty sure I forgot to show the foundation I was using, so that's great. But anyways, I am using the Real Techniques body sponge actually, and this was my first time using it. And this sucker is huge. It is way bigger compared to the regular sponge. I actually prefer just a regular sponge, not this body size sponge, because it feels a lot harder. It's not as squishy. Oh gosh, this is very awkward to talk about. I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer, and I'm actually a huge fan of this concealer. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I'm all about the glowy, dewy skin. See, I felt like I was just slapping myself because the sponge is so tough. It's definitely not my favorite. Then I'm doing my brows with my favorite L'Oreal brow stylist. This is the only thing that I use for my eyebrows. I'm using the clear brow gel. Does anyone hate when one brow turns out like terrible and the other one's good? It happens. I'm using the Kat Von D shade and light palette, and it blends out really effortlessly, but it gives you like a nice sculpted look. And I always go around my nose. Nothing too harsh or crazy, I just give it some warmth. Then I'm using this Milani Most Love Mattes, and I really like this palette. It has all matte shades, and I'm always just looking for something quick and easy. I don't want to have to spend a lot of time working to blend something out, and so these have always worked nicely. I actually got this palette on clearance, so I'm assuming that means that they discontinued it, which I don't know why, because honestly I think I enjoy matte shades more than I do shimmer.
Don't take no chances, fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing, bottles got me crashing.
For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Double Extend, and this is probably my most used mascara. It's super easy to take off at night, which is probably the main reason that I use it every single day. It doesn't leave you with any black smeared mess under your eyes. It's just clean, and it comes off in little tubes. It almost looks like your eyelashes are falling off, but don't worry, they're not. Then you just coat it with the black. I feel like I take the most time with my mascara because I just like to get every single lash, and I like to make sure it's perfect. That's just where my time is spent. Blush, I'm using the Morphe Cool palette. It's the 9C. And I really love how versatile it is. It has so many shades to choose from. And I like combining a lot of them because you get the best of both worlds. Then I'm using this little Morphe brush as an eyeliner brush. Instead of wearing eyeliner, I like to line my eyes with eyeshadow. I feel like it looks more natural and it just enhances your eyes more.
Just wanna get the hang of this, and I know there is no cure. Drowning out the I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the highlight, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for
I'm using this liquid lipstick from Morphe. This is seriously like my favorite color, and I really like their liquid lips because they dry and they don't move, and the formula is really nice. For highlighter, I'm using the Nikki Tutorials Glazed Donut highlight, and this was my first time using it, and oh my goodness. I clearly got way too much on the sponge. This is how I usually apply all of my highlighters, and it turned out to be way too much because this is just pigmented.
drowning out the I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the highlight, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for just the highlight, drift in the highlight, just the high feel living in the highlight, drift, just the highlight, twist on the highlight. I'm just in it for
So I just ended up carefully blending it out, hoping that I didn't look like a disco ball, which clearly I do.
I don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemons.
Oh my gosh, I'm a mess, honestly. Well, if you stuck around this long, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I hope to talk to you all next time. Bye.
Don't you know?